keep that date in mind for a second. Now, during this hearing this week, there has also been a discussion about Brady material. Now, Brady material is relevant evidence that is favorable to the defense, potentially exculpatory evidence, tending to prove a defendant did not commit the crime. And this is evidence that the prosecution finds out about and has to turn over to the defense. And in their joint letter to the court in anticipation of this hearing this week, the defense argued, quote, that the Brady disclosures failed to meet the minimum constitutional standards to which Mr. Combs is entitled. And so during the hearing, Judge Subramanian asked the prosecution, can you tell me how you're complying with the Brady obligations? To which Assistant United States Attorney Emily Johnson reportedly responded that they are endeavoring to get the defense the information they're requesting, including interrogations the prosecution conducted, and also told the court that they had given the defense files from Victim 1. Now, based on the description of Victim 1 in the indictment and prosecution filings, this is the victim, by the way, who makes up the sex trafficking charge. I think a fair argument would be that is probably Cassandra Ventura. So when there is a discussion of turning over evidence regarding Victim 1, potentially Cassandra Ventura, and exculpatory evidence regarding Victim 1, I have to wonder if this relates back to the argument presented by the defense over the past several months that there is no evidence that Victim 1 is a victim of sex trafficking, rather that she and Combs had this consensual, years-long, toxic, violent relationship. And when you look at the 2016 video that I mentioned before, the defense would say this is not evidence that he was sex trafficking her, but this was just a very unfortunate, disturbing domestic spat. Now, the prosecutors have asserted that there was a sex worker in that hotel room that she was allegedly escaping from, and so this is a prime example of sex trafficking. But going back to what this exculpatory information might be regarding Victim 1,